What is going on? So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this layered font, which you can add to any shape or object here in Photoshop. This is actually the end result right here. As you can tell, I put this palm tree texture image over the font and it cut it out perfectly to match the font here. I just added this background in here just to kind of show you the cool effect. So guys, with that, we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So right here, I'm starting out with a 1280 by 720 pixel canvas, and we have over here a white background layer for our foundation for this canvas here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, all right, so the image that I actually have is from my phone. I just edited the colors and everything straight from my phone. This is a picture I took here on Maui when me and my wife lived over there. And so here we go. Okay, so what we need to do is resize this, obviously. We're gonna get it to right about there just to fill up the canvas, okay? So there is that. First step is done. Now the second step is obviously we need font. So let's go ahead and pick a font here. So I'm just gonna type in tropical. Need to resize it. Click and drag to resize is one method of doing it. As I always tell people, there's multiple ways to do things on Photoshop to end up with the same result. Okay, so let's go ahead and tilt it kind of like this. So as you can kind of tell, what is going to be showing over the font, if we look here, like what palm trees we have there, it's going to be over the A, over the L, over the C. So we can kind of see what it's looking like. Okay, guys, so here's where the real magic begins. So what we want to do is we want to have this palm tree image over the tropical image. Make sure it's stacked on top of the tropical. So what we're going to do is create a clipping mask, and it's going to mask itself around the tropical font that we have here. And this is a really easy, simple step. So let's go up here to layer and make sure you're clicked on image as you do this. So go to layer, go down to create clipping mask, and bam, there you go. It's that simple. So what we can do from here is we can make adjustments to the actual image. And so say if we don't like that there's too much palm tree in this or there's not enough palm tree in this, we can literally click and drag this around to where we would like it. Okay, and I think the end result that I have for the final product that we had was right about in that general region. Okay, and then a little extra tip for you guys: if you want to add a drop shadow and you're not sure how to quite do that, all you have to do is just double click right here on that layer, and I have 2 drop shadows. It will usually give you 1, so don't worry about that, but you just want to click on that right there. You can also go into here and make your adjustments on what you want the drop shadow to look like. All right, guys, so that is the end result. So that is how you put a pattern over your font or any object here in Photoshop. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and have an awesome day.